Hi, I'm Ron Ogden. Today, how to get your weapons back from the Pentagon Thief in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Come with me as we... Wait a minute. It's not Modern Warfare 3. It's Black Ops. Wow, that's trippy. Come with me as we take our weapons back from that nasty Pentagon Thief. The Pentagon Thief is a special enemy found only in the 5 level. He replaces the Hellhounds and Space Monkeys from the other maps, so he will appear on each 5th level. The thief will not actually do any damage to the players, but he will steal one weapon from your inventory. Killing him prior to stealing a weapon will drop a bonfire sale, reducing the cost of a pack-a-punch from 5,000 to 1,000. Killing him after he steals a weapon will return the weapon to the player. Look, I'm going to be completely honest. I'd shoot a crazy scientist too if he was chasing after me trying to steal my firearms. I'm Ron Ogden. I'll see you next time.